Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make another Godzilla surprise fold, and this time I'm going to show you how to draw Godzilla Earth versus Ghidorah Planet Eater. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our surprise fold, we need to fold our paper in half. I'm going to begin by lining up the corners, and we're just going to fold our paper in half just like this. Next, I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to fold it in half this way. Just line up the corners and we're going to fold it down here. It kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now, when I open it up, I can open it either way. And when I open it, you can see I have a line here and a line here. And this shows me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing at. Now to begin my drawing, I'm going to start off with Godzilla Earth first. So I'm going to start right over here and I'm going to make his face. So the first thing I want to do is draw a line that's just going to come down and then it's going to curve back like this, kind of like a check mark shape. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's just going to come down and then up. Now I'm going to take this line and I'm going to curve it up a little bit farther. Now starting here, I'm going to draw another line that's going to go up and I'm going to curve this one up and back. Then I'm going to bring this line up to here and then I'm going to bring it in for a point. And I'm going to make another couple points that just go down and then in. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up, it's going to come down, and then in for the nose. Then I'm going to draw a line that comes down to the fold, and we're going to jump over the fold. Next, I'm going to bring a little line that's going to come in. And then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then up with a long point. Then I'm going to make another one that comes down and up with a point. Make another line that's going to go out and then it's going to come up. And then I'm going to make some more kind of little pointed lines right along here for the jaw. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down and in, and one more down and in for the neck. Now, right here I want to add some details by the eyes. So I'm going to add a couple little lines that just kind of curve down right by the eye. I'm also going to add a little line that's going to come down here by the nose. I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come up and down for part of the eye. And then I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to bring this line a little bit farther up and put some more points on it. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a couple little lines that are just going to curve down like this, and then we'll make another one here. And I'm going to bring these lines in a little bit too. Next, I want to make my Ghidorah Planet Eater. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go up and then in. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up, it's going to go over and down. going to make a long line that's just going to come up and down, or it's going to go down and up, I should say. And then right when I get to here, I'm going to make a little kind of oval shape for an eye. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up and down. And then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up to a point and then back down. Then I'm going to make another long line that comes up here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down and then it's going to come back. And then I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down and then it's going to come up here. Make another little one that's going to come down to a point and up. We'll make a couple more that are going to come down to some long points, and then they're going to come right up to here. I'm going to draw a couple more little lines that kind of stick off, just to show that there's some different spikes coming out of here. I'm going to add another little bump here for an eye, and then another little circle shape over here for another eye. A couple little curved lines underneath it. I'll add another eye over here, and then I'll put one more up here too. I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve down. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. It's going to come to a couple points and back. And another one's going to come down to a couple points and back. Now our next step is we want to open this up. After we open it up, you can see that we have two halves. We have half of our Godzilla Earth and half of our Ghidorah Planet Eater. So let's begin with our Ghidorah Planet Eater, and let's draw the inside of here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a long line that comes down to a point and then up. I'm going to curve another line that comes down and up, and we'll add a little line up here. I'm going to add some more kind of long, pointed, sharp kind of teeth shapes over here. And I'll make a little line that comes down and up. Next, I'm going to make another little sharp tooth that comes down and up, or up and down. And then we'll make a couple more kind of little sharp, jagged teeth all along here. Next, starting here, I'm just going to draw a long line that comes down to connect the mouth. And then I'm going to make a long, kind of pointed tongue that goes down and up. Now for Godzilla Earth, we're going to start here and we're just going to draw a line that's going to come down to a point and then it's going to come up. And make another one that comes down to a point and up, and we're just going to make some kind of big, jagged, sharp teeth on here. I want to make them come all the way down to about here. I'm going to bring this line over and I'm going to curve it up. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. And then I'm going to just add some more kind of jagged, sharp teeth all the way along here. And we're going to connect it to this line. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a long line that's going to come down and then up for a tongue. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw this line that's going to come down and around for part of the mouth. And then I'm just going to add some more kind of pointed, little wavy lines to connect this. And I'll add some extra little lines on here just to make some different details. And we'll add some curved lines along here. And there you go, there is your drawing of Godzilla Earth versus Ghidorah Planet Eater. So when we have it all closed up, we have the two big monsters facing each other off, and then when we open it up, they are roaring. And you could always add some different blasts on here if you want to, it's totally up to you. But there you go, I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.